Hi guys, welcome to another video. This is some gameplay from the zombie apocalypse. We decided to give one of the players a camera. Unfortunately, he didn't survive that long. So we will have both footage from when he was alive to when he was a zombie. There wasn't that many rules to the game. The only time you could shoot a zombie were if the zombies were running. We did also add objective to the game. They had to retrieve laptops from the village and take it back to the castle. We also did say when you become a zombie, obviously put a bit of roleplay into it.
What is that?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Right, let's get into the action. But first, we'd like to pay tribute to Andrew. Andrew got mauled by multiple zombies.
Danny, I think Simon's going to tell you off for that. What? Full water? That's alright.
Oh, there he is. There's one. Watch it.
Where? Run away! Zombie, run, fucking run! Yeah, let's not go that way. Did you shoot him?
I just sprinted. It's on his head. I'm off and
He's still coming. That's the mini goal goal. Andrew left. Oh, good bag.
Nice, good vocal work.
Thank you for watching guys. So by the end of the game there were 3 players who managed to survive the zombie apocalypse. We'll see you in the next one.